We'll guide you through how to put due date in Google Classroom. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because teachers need to set clear deadlines for assignments in Google Classroom. To begin this tutorial, turn on your PC or computer and wait until the system is fully ready to use. Then open a browser. For example, you can use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop and wait for the browser window to load completely. After the browser opens, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the available Google services. Click Google Apps, then scroll down and select Google Classroom from the list. As an alternative way to access it, go to the search bar, type classroom.google.com, then press Enter on your keyboard to open the website directly. Make sure you already have a class created before continuing with the next steps. Select one of your available classes from the dashboard to enter the class page. Next, click the Classwork tab at the top of the page, then click the Create button to display the available options. For example, select Assignment from the drop-down menu to create a new task. After that, create a title for the assignment. For example, creating a dialogue conversation, so students clearly understand the task name. Then write the detailed instructions for the creating a dialogue conversation task in the description box, explaining what students need to prepare and submit. If you see no due date under the assignment settings, click it to set the deadline for submission. Set the date, for example March 3rd, 2026, by choosing it from the calendar provided. Click Due Time and adjust the time, for example 11:30 p.m., to specify the exact submission deadline. Make sure the settings are correct, including the title, instructions, date, and time. Then click Assign to store the changes. Check the result on the classwork page to confirm that put due date in Google Classroom has been successfully completed and the assignment now displays the correct deadline for students.